Hello kids, I'm Mrs. Annie from Sir Isaac Newton School. I'm very happy to meet you today. I'm going to take online class for mathematics grade 6 metric. Today we are going to discuss about the topic numbers. We have discussed so much things about numbers. Let me get into the topic. First we are going to recall the successor and predecessor. I hope you all know very well about successor and predecessor, right? When we add 1 with the number, we will get successor. Like that, if we subtract 1 from a number, we will get a predecessor, right? So, what is the definition for successor? When 1 is added to a number, we get its successor. When 1 is subtracted from a number, we get its predecessor. So here we are having some examples for that. The successor of 4576 is, successor means we have to add 1 with the number. So if we add 1 with this number, we will get 4577. So the successor of 4576 is 4577. Next question. The predecessor of 8970 is, predecessor means we have to subtract 1 from this number. If we subtract 1 from this number, we will get 8969. If we subtract 1 from 70, you will get 69. So the answer is 8969. So next one is 999 plus 1 is equal to 1000, right? If we add 1 with 999, you will get 1000. So the answer is 1000. Next question, 10,000 minus 1 equals to. So if we subtract 1 from 10,000, we will get 9,999. So if we subtract 1 from 10,000, we will get 9,999. So the predecessor of the smallest 5-digit number is, the predecessor of the smallest 5-digit number is. For that, first we have to find the smallest 5-digit number. So which is the smallest 5-digit number? The smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Here it is. So count the number of digits in 10,000. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the predecessor of the smallest 5-digit number. So smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Predecessor means we have to subtract 1 from that number. So the answer is 9,999. So the answer is 9,999. Okay, next. Next we are going to discuss about formation of large numbers. You know numbers, right? You know numbers from 1 to 10,000 or something. Now we are going to form a large number which is greater than 10,000. So here in this table we are having a greatest number, and with that greatest number we are going to add 1 to get the smallest number, right? Let me discuss about this. First one is greatest 1-digit number. Greatest 1-digit number is 9. So if we add 1 with 9, we will get 10, which is a smallest 2-digit number. So greatest 1-digit number is 9. If we add 1 with the given number, you will get 10, which is a smallest 2-digit number. Next one is greatest 2-digit number is 99. If we add 1 with 99, you will get 100, which is a smallest 3-digit number. Like The greatest 7-digit number is 99 lakh 99,999. If we add 1 with this number, you will get crore. 1 crore. So next, it is shown in the following table, which is 1 into 10 is equal to 10. Now we are going to multiply this 10 with another 10, so that we will get 100. 10 into 10, 100. And again we are going to multiply this 100 with another 10, so that we will get 1000. 1000 into 10, 10,000. 10,000 into 10, 1 lakh. 1 lakh into 10, 10 lakh. So next we are going to discuss about place value chart. Already you know this very well. So it starts from ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crores and 10 crores. Try to read this number: 359468421. Is it difficult? It's not easy to read, right? But by using this place value chart, we can read it easily. So I'm writing this number: 359468421. Now we are going to read this by using a place value chart. So first place is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So the answer is 35 crore 94 lakh 68,421. See this, we have divided in ones, then thousand, which is thousand and 10,000, then lakhs, which is lakh and 10 lakh, and then crores, which is crore and 10 crores. So the answer is 35 crore 94 lakh 68,421. Next, we are going to discuss Indian number system and international number system. So, you all know about Indian number system, right? Ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. So in ones we will have ones, tens and hundreds. And in thousands we will have thousand and 10,000. In lakhs we will have lakh and 10 lakh. In crore we will have crore, 10 crore, 100 crore and 1000 crore. But in international number system we will split it into ones, thousands, millions and billions. Ones, thousands, millions and billions. Okay, in ones, as usual, you will have ones, tens and hundreds. But in thousands, you will have thousand, 10,000 and then 100,000. In international number system, we will read lakh as a 100,000 and then million, 10 million, 100 million. So crore as 10 million, 100 crore, 10 crore as 100 million and 100 crore as billion, 1000 crore as 10 billion. So in international number system, we will use ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, etc. So let's discuss this example. The distance between the sun and the earth is about 9290000 miles. Is this the correct way to read this number? No. Okay. Now we are going to write this number's name in Indian system as well as in international system. First in number system. So I have created a place value chart for this. So it's from ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, and etc. Now I'm going to write the numbers in the correct place values. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 9, 2, 9. So first ones, tens, hundreds. I have put an comma, then thousands and 10,000. So again a comma, then 9 lakhs and 10 lakhs. So again a comma and 9 is a crore. Now you can read this number easily, which is 9 crore 29 lakh, which is 9 crore 29 lakh. And in international system, I have created a place value chart: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, and 10 millions. Now I'm going to write the numbers. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 9, 2, 9. So you can read this number as 92 million 900,000. 92,900,000. Okay, please take a note of these questions and finish it. Send it to your WhatsApp group. Thank you.